How to get old Discord layout. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Discord application and get logged into your Discord account. Then tap onto Use section from your bottom right. At this page, tap onto Settings on your top right. Scroll below at the page and tap on Clear Cache. Under App Settings, tap onto Appearance, and if your device is compatible with the Discord old layout, you will be able to see that option right at this page. In my case, my device is not compatible, so it's not available for me. And that is how you can get the old layout of Discord in your Discord application. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.